Hello, band potatoes. The first thing we're going to do in playing trumpet is the buzz. So the first thing you're going to practice on day one is saying M and then buzzing your lips. M. If you can get it to sound like a fly, you'll have a higher sounding note. If it's more like sound, you'll probably be gearing towards trombone or a lower instrument because those are perfect lips for a lower sound. Or whatever, keep practicing buzzing. This is what you do first. Practice buzzing. Then you're going to take a mouthpiece and we're going to bring the mouthpiece to you. So just pinch and hold it here and then go. Have fun with it. Do it 5 minutes. Just keep playing. One of the things you want to make sure you have is a mouthpiece brush. In these days and times, you want to make sure that it is clean inside the mouthpiece. So make sure you have a little bit of soap and water for your mouthpiece brush, and you're going to push that through the mouthpiece, clean it, and then rinse it out. Practice buzzing. M. Do this like at least 5 minutes. If you can go longer, great. You don't want to go to the point where you get bored. Put it down and then do it again the next day, because if you don't have the chops, if you don't practice a trumpet every day, you lose the muscles that help you play the instrument. Then you can't hit high notes. You definitely want to practice buzzing every day. The buzz.